This real server genuinely takes over a second to respond. Let's show a real spinner instead of leaving the page looking frozen. A real network request rarely resolves instantly. A slow connection or a genuinely busy server can take a full second or more. Without a loading indicator, a pending request looks identical to a broken page to a real user. The fix is simple. Toggle a real spinner on right before the request starts and off right after it genuinely settles, and since await doesn't freeze the browser, the spinner's own CSS animation keeps running the whole time it waits. Same real trigger as every earlier video. This real line runs before the request even starts. The spinner appears immediately the instant the button is clicked. A real text queue alongside the spinner. Some users have animations disabled, so text matters too. This real server intentionally delays its response by over a second, long enough to genuinely see the spinner in this exact mid-flight screenshot. This real line only runs once the actual delayed response finally lands. The real spinner disappears the instant there's genuinely something to show instead of it. The real final content replaces the loading text, exactly what the after screenshot shows. 3 real state changes: idle, loading, loaded, driven entirely by this one-click handler. A real, common companion fix genuinely prevents a second click from firing a duplicate request while the first is still in flight. Instead of a spinning icon, some real apps show a gray placeholder shaped like the real content that's about to arrive. Genuinely feels faster to users, even at the same actual speed. A spinner that flashes for a genuinely fast response can feel more jarring than no spinner at all. Some real apps deliberately delay showing it. Next, a real-world example: live search that fires an AJAX request as you type.